Hi guys, I'm back. So right now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Prep and Prime for my face. So I'm also going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation with the LA Girl yellow foundation pigment to make my foundation more of a warm tone. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you guys can refer to my video, my LA Girl unboxing. So what I'm doing right here is just mixing the foundation up. Next, I'm going to be using Milani Concealer, 2-in-1 Perfect Concealer in light to medium beige. I'm going to be using that. Now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Mastery palette for this Saweetie look. I thought this look was so cute on her. And it's basically a one eyeshadow cranberry kind of look. So yeah, the eyeshadow I'm going to be using right here is called Maven. And it was kind of going a little bit too light for me, but the more I blended it, the better off it was. It's a little bit light on camera, that's why you can't really tell, but the more I blended it in, the deeper that it got. So yeah, so I'm just blending this in to make sure that I'm just starting this off as my transition color. Next, I'm going to be using the color Pretty, and that color is a color that I've had to going to be packing on to my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be packing it on, and just packing it on. And the more I pack it on, it's going to get a little bit deeper. Next, I'm going to be using that same eyeshadow in the color Pretty and using that under my eyelids. Next is the BH Cosmetics Roller Fair palette, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow color in that palette in the color Regal. And what I did was I went back into this palette to go ahead and deepen my crease more. Not my crease, but my eyeshadow more to make it deeper. I did my eyeliner off camera because this video would have been extra long and ain't nobody got time for that. So I went ahead and used the LA Girl Volumizing Mascara to open up my eyelashes just a little bit before I apply my lashes, which I'm going to be applying my eyelashes off camera. So next, I've already applied my lashes off camera, and these are the Ardell lashes. You guys know I love Ardell lashes. If you don't know, they are my favorite. So right here, I'm going to be applying and doing my contour with my favorite contour palette from Black Radiance. And it is called the Black Radiance True Complexion palette. I love this. I think it's just great. A little goes a long way with this particular palette, like I always say. But right here, I'm just going to be contouring and just contouring just to give my face a sculpted look.